Hey there, aspiring billionaires. Today we are talking about real estate investing. Real estate has minted more millionaires than any other industry out there. That's why I'm here to break down the ways to make real money in real estate. Whether you're starting small or ready to play in the big leagues, we're talking step-by-step strategies you can actually use. Stick around till the end for a bonus tip that most beginners completely miss. First up, let's talk about rental properties. This is the bread and butter of real estate, the foundation of building long-term wealth. You buy a property, find a tenant, and boom, you've got a consistent stream of passive income coming in every single month. But here's the key, not all properties are created equal. You want to buy in areas with high rental demand, low vacancy rates, and a track record of solid property value growth. Now, let's talk numbers. Before you jump into a purchase, you absolutely need to factor in all the costs. We're talking property taxes, insurance, potential maintenance, and maybe even property management fees. Speaking of tenants, screening is crucial. A bad tenant can quickly turn your passive income stream into a stressful money pit. With the right research, due diligence, and a little bit of patience, rental properties can generate incredible long-term wealth and give you that financial freedom we all crave. All right, ready to roll up your sleeves? Let's talk about house flipping. This is where you buy undervalued properties, give them a makeover, and sell them for a profit. It's fast-paced, exciting, and if you play your cards right, incredibly lucrative. But let me be real with you, house flipping isn't for the faint of heart. It takes serious market knowledge to spot those diamond-in-the-rough properties, renovation skills to transform them, and the ability to make quick, informed decisions under pressure. The name of the game here is speed. The longer you hold on to a property, the more carrying costs eat into your profits. You're paying for utilities, taxes, insurance, not to mention the loan interest. Time is literally money in the flipping world. Now let's talk about a common pitfall: underestimating renovation costs. Unexpected issues always pop up: faulty wiring, leaky pipes, you name it. That's why you need to factor in a contingency buffer, at least 10 to 20% beyond your initial estimates. Remember, a successful flip hinges on selling for the right price. If you can master those things, flipping can be your ticket to fast-track wealth. Now what if I told you that you could invest in real estate without actually buying property? That's where wholesaling comes in. This strategy is perfect if you're just starting out, have limited capital, or simply want to avoid the hands-on aspect of owning property. Think of yourself as a real estate matchmaker. You find great deals on properties, often from distressed sellers, and lock them under contract. But instead of buying the property yourself, you sell that contract to another investor, typically a rehabber or landlord, for a profit. Your profit comes from the difference between the price you negotiated with the seller and the price you sell the contract for. The key to wholesaling is mastering two things: negotiation and finding motivated sellers. You need to be able to spot a good deal, build rapport with sellers, and negotiate win-win agreements. You can find these sellers through various methods like direct mail marketing, online advertising, networking with real estate agents, or even just driving for dollars and looking for properties that look distressed. Wholesaling is a fantastic way to break into the real estate game, build your network, and start generating profits without needing a ton of cash up front. Let's face it, not everyone wants to be a landlord or spend their weekends fixing up properties. If you're looking for a more passive way to invest in real estate, then real estate investment trusts, or REITs, might be right up your alley. REITs are companies that own, operate, or finance income-generating real estate. By investing in a REIT, you're essentially buying a small piece of all those properties. The beauty of REITs is their accessibility. You can buy and sell REIT shares just like stocks on major exchanges. No need to qualify for loans, deal with tenants, or manage renovations. Plus, REITs are required to distribute a significant portion of their taxable income to shareholders in the form of dividends. This makes them an attractive option for investors seeking regular income. Whether you're just starting your investment journey or looking to diversify your portfolio, REITs offer a convenient and potentially lucrative way to tap into the world of real estate without the hassle of direct ownership. Alright, now for that bonus tip I promised you, the one that most beginners completely overlook: leverage. This is the secret sauce that can supercharge your real estate returns and help you build wealth significantly faster. When you use leverage, you're essentially using other people's money, whether it's from banks, lenders, or private investors, to buy assets and amplify your potential returns. Think of it like this. Would you rather invest $100,000 of your own cash in a property, or use a mortgage to invest in a $500,000 property with just 20% down? With leverage, even a small increase in property value translates into a much larger return on your initial investment. Let's say that both properties appreciate by 10%. The $100,000 property nets you a $10,000 gain, but the $500,000 property, even though you only put down 20%, nets you a $50,000 gain. That's the power of leverage. While it can amplify your gains, it can also magnify your losses if the market takes a downturn. By using leverage wisely and making smart investment decisions, you can unlock exponential growth and build a truly impressive real estate portfolio. So there you have it, 5 powerful strategies to unlock the incredible wealth-building potential of real estate. Whether you're drawn to the steady income of rentals, the excitement of flipping, or the hands-off approach of REITs, there's a strategy out there for everyone. The key takeaway here? Knowledge is power. The more you learn about real estate, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions and capitalize on lucrative opportunities. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these strategies are you most excited about? Drop a comment below and let me know. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Please share with others and subscribe to Maro Edu Hub for more wealth-building tips. And hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. See you in the next video.